told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
What's good here? So today I'm going to share with you my journey so far in studying ICT. If it is really something good you should invest your time in studying. What really is the ICT trading method? I mean, for the past few months I've been studying ICT and I've been writing everything down right here inside my notebook. So let's just check. Right, I hope you can see. I've studied the Market Maker series and the Market Maker Primer course, and currently I'm studying the 2022 mentorship. So I'm going to share with you if it's really something worth you should probably invest in. Now, this is the truth so far, right? ICT trading method is really nice. I'm just going to tell you straight, point blank. It's really good that you should actually start studying it. It's been taught by Michael. Yeah, Michael actually taught on baby pips before, right? If you could remember, I recommended you study the beginner aspects of Forex trading and stuff on baby pips in my previous video. So Michael actually taught on that baby pips before, and right now he's out there sharing his knowledge for free, and it is really profitable. Now, most of you might know about support and resistance, what it is, and if it is something good you should probably invest in. And yes, support and resistance is good, but Michael actually is going to teach you why the support and resistance is occurring and how it is going to act, right? So in the ICT trading mentorship or method whatsoever, you are going to learn the reason behind certain movements in price. It's not just that you're going to draw a trend line and say, oh, so when price hits here it will come back. No, when you study ICT trading method, you are going to know the reason behind those things, right? Things like liquidity, buy-side liquidity, sell-side liquidity, shift in market structure, fair value gap, and stuff like that, other block, and so many things. You are going to know the reason behind the way central banks move the market and stuff like that. You are going to learn all this stuff. So it is really something good you should probably start investing your time in right now. ICT trading method is on YouTube on Michael's channel. You can search it out, ICT trading. You're going to see his channel over there. As at the time I'm recording this video, it's about 400,000 plus subscribers over there. You're going to find out his channel. Trust me, his mentorship is worth it, right? It's worth it. I'm just here to bring you the good news, right? Just in case you've not been studying so far, try it out and look at this charts and stuff like that. All these are possible by studying the ICT mentorship. So I think you should check it out. All right, I'm going to see you in the next video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, as I'll be bringing you more valuable content. Just stay tuned. I'll be sharing my journey with you in due time. Once I finish the 2022 mentorship, I want to share with you some of the things. Is it true that Michael actually, like, his videos are long, and sometimes if you don't take time you feel like it's boring, but trust me, everything that he's saying is worth it. But however, I'll find a way to maybe simplify some things for you. In case you don't understand, I'll simplify them for you once I'm done with my 2022 mentorship. Yeah, so I'm going to see you in my next video. Bless up.